Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I want to show you this delicious lunch idea for kids. I prepared this for my little daughter and she enjoyed every bit of it, as it's fully loaded with great nutrients to help develop her brain function, to relieve constipation, provide energy, and provide vitamin C, B, and so many more to her body. So first of all, I had to chop the almonds to enable my blender blend properly and to make it smooth. When it was well blended, I added 2 eggs and 2 ripe bananas into the almond paste. Then I added a little salt and 3 tablespoons of honey. Then I blended to a smooth paste. As you can see, it's really smooth. Then I added 4 spoons of sieved flour and mixed till it was smooth. And I went ahead and fried this paste using a frying pan. And it came out really good. When I gave this to my daughter, she enjoyed every bit of it and she thanked me. Then she gave me a kiss. So you can try this for your little one, and trust me, you'll be the best mom ever. Thank you for spending your time with me today again, and hope to see you next time. Bye.